Hello there, I am Tukustu Zariun. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. I will continue today's lesson with creating simple formulas. It's possible to perform starting from simple to complex calculations using Microsoft Excel software. Thanks to the technology, it can perform not only storing or analyzing and organizing a data. It's possible to calculate also starting from simple to complex calculations. When you say simple, the four basic operations, the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divisions are performed using this software. It says creating simple formulas. Excel can be used to calculate and analyze numerical information. However, you will need to know how to write formulas to maximize Excel's capability. Formula is an equation that performs a calculating using values in the world. There are values that possible to enter the values, then perform simple calculations based on the syntax. In this lesson, you learn how to create simple formulas using mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division signs. But what's syntax or the step when you perform a simple calculation? To create a simple formula that adds two numbers, it says click the cell where the formula will be defined. For example, if you have C5, first we have to type the equal sign. It says to let Excel know a formula is being defined. What does it represent? The equal sign. The equal sign represents what it gives. In case of the four basic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, what it gives. It implies what it gives. In case of comparisons, the greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, is that true? We are asking a question for the software. Says type the first number to be added. After typing the equal sign, then typing the addition sign, for instance in case of addition, and typing the second number. Then the last step is press enter keys or click the enter button on the formula bar to complete the formula. Let me demonstrate you here the step here. First typing equal sign, then type the number, for instance plus sign, second number, then press enter key or click on enter to get the result. In case of the four basic operations, the equal sign means what it gives, 34 plus 457. Here is the result. Here is the value, the result. On the formula bar, there is the formula. From where got 491 is the result of 34 with 457. Not only by typing, just we can also give numbers in separate value cell. Then we can find the sum of the two values. Selecting the values, then press enter key. You get the result. Here is equal to B3 plus C3. The same to in case of subtraction, multiplication, and division. Anyway, let me demonstrate you the four basic operations. Here is the result, the difference, we have num1 and num2, the product, the equations. Is equal to this value minus this is the difference. What about the product is equal to this value times shift key asterisk. The second, the quotient equal sign, the first number divided by the second number. You can feed additional numbers here. Then may not important to type again by using fill handle. Possible to fill the formula. May not be difficult, but as a beginner you have to follow the step. Next is working with basic functions. Microsoft Excel enables to perform starting from simple to complex calculations. In case of simple calculations, the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are performed using the Microsoft Excel. And the next is using complex calculations also performed using this Microsoft Excel software. In case of complex is functions, working with basic functions. Function is a predefined formula that performs calculation using a specific values in a particular order. In Microsoft Excel, there are inbuilt functions. Here is fx, insert function. Here are the functions. You will get a variety of functions that are used in variety of field sectors, like sum, average, rank are functions. Each function has a specific order called a syntax, which must be strictly followed for a function to work correctly. All functions begin with equal sign. After the equal sign, define the function name, for instance, sum. Then, under parentheses, arguments, means a range of cells that consist the values. Here are some of the functions, different functions that we use in statics. Sum, average, count, max, mean. Sum, for instance, summation adds a range of cells together. The average calculates the average of a range of cells. Count counts the number of chosen data in range of cells. Max identifies the largest number, and minimum identifies the smallest number. The other is date time. Just these are also other financial functions. Year, month, today, minute, hour, time, date. It will give you also. For instance, on the Excel is equal to date parenthesis plus enter key, which is equal to date. For instance, instead today, today you will get such values instead of typing date. today. You'll get here like this, or you can change into months or preceding year, months next, date. Okay, simply you can give also today as a function. The other is using sum, average, and rank as a function here. Let me demonstrate here plus adding. If you have such values, how can we find out the sum, average, and rank? Equal sign, then sum, open parenthesis, choosing the argument. What the argument means? Starting from the first value, which is the first student for English is 76, and the last one is 98. Closing the parenthesis, enter. You'll get the result, and it's possible to fill the formula using fill effects. Here, auto filling effects. The next is average. Average, the function is average. We have to be careful here. It should not be selected the sum, only the argument. The alternative ways, if you do not choose the arguments, choose the sum divided by how many subjects? 4. Alternative. Minimizing one. Finished. The other is a rank. In case of rank, which is equal to our rank, then based on the average, rank is found or calculated based on the student's average. It compares from the first student with other students, selecting the first student's average, then comma, selecting the whole students. It compares with the whole. Then F4 means making the function absolute, constant, for all values. Only changes the first value of the average for each student. G2 is the relative reference. It continues series or continuous value. G3 is like G4, then compares with all students average as a constant. Then here search. First is 95 points as you have seen here. This is all about for today. I will continue next session. Thank you.